figuring out about my lawnmower. Alright. This video is sponsored by Coke. Hang on, I gotta use this hand. Okay. Yeah, this is perfect. They can't get us. Look at there, I'm hiding the logo. It's not a Coke can.
Okay. Alright. I'm sorry for the absence. I've been sick. He's been in love. Salad dressing has found him a girlfriend. And we're here to destroy stuff in a microwave. For our first contestant, we have empty water bottles. We're gonna put it in there for 5 minutes. Power level high. Object number 2, lead pencils.
I smell plastic burning, cuz.
Whoa! Somebody I was playing on Fortnite with told me to use crayons. So crayons. Sickle. 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 Oh. Next up is glue. You know, little glue sticks you got in school? Well, we're gonna do what they're really meant for. Hey, Saxon. The glue looks like what's left over after you have a good time in your bedroom.
Oh, great.
Next up, fruit snack.
Good.
Man, it's like some bubble gum.
Yeah, dude, that smells good.
Smells good. Hey, want to eat it?
Smells good. Oh, it's like fruit gushers now.
Mr. Pibb in the microwave.
It's like regular bib.
It was just bubbling. Want to try some? Being bubbled, bold, and...
Try and move it, see what it moves like. Oh no, that's liquid. That's boiling hot.
Woo!
Well, that was the end of Mr. Pibb.
Next up is vape juice. Blueberry. Dude. Oh! Dude. The vape juice was not the problem of the smoke. Oh, dude, water. Next up, syrup. Oh man, look at that sugary goodness. Pancakes and waffles. Ooh, give it to me. Dude, what kind of syrup is that? What kind of syrup is that? It was bubbling. It's still bubbling.
Boiling syrup.
Dude!
It's like water now. Look at that, it's like water.
Alright, so about 5 minutes ago I heard a loud pop and salad dressing noticed the trays broke. The glass tray got that hot and broke the glass tray. Wait, or we found a new component that will break glass. Anyway, that's a
mystery.
mystery. So this is baby lotion, the baby booty lotion. 8 minutes. Whoa!
It turned liquid, didn't it?
What if we mix these two together? Man, watch this chemistry. Ooh. 2 tablespoons of syrup. 2 tablespoons of baby booty lotion. The stick. I'll stir it all together. Backyard Chemistry 101. So I just got to this part of the video and realized we left it out there. So I went back out there and I checked them all. The syrup is syrup. The baby lotion is it's like a little harder than baby lotion, but about the same thing. And this is the product. It's just like this. It's I don't know. It's much harder than it was. It's much harder than syrup, but not as hard as lotion. Oh yeah. So we have moved to the destruction stage of this video.
Yeah, I forgot this one.
Look at that caution tape. Look at that side by side.
Look at this evil chicken wing. Taking care of that at the moment.
Look at that side by side one more time. Look at that bike. Look at this shed. Look at this shed. Look at that bike one more time. Blowing up a lighter. Oh boy. Not you, Jackson.
Oh my god. I can't find it. Way out of the picture.
Yee yee.